Hello student, in this video lecture we are going to discuss about lungs. You can see in this diagram your lungs are in your thoracic cavity. Your lungs are two in number, paired structure. There are two lungs which are located into the thoracic cavity. Your lungs is located in this thoracic cavity. It lungs are cone shaped. Lungs having the particular cone shaped structure. From apex these are narrow, superior sides are narrow, and from the lower side these are uh, broad. Okay, both lungs are separated each other by the mediasternum. That area that is between the lung is known as mediasternum. Here it is the area that is called mediasternal area. Is that clear? Okay. Now we are talking about the parts of lung. Here it is, there are two lungs thus that having the equal parts. These are from the superior region, it is known as the apex. It is known as the apex, and the broadened lower portion is known as base. Okay, broadened lower portion is known as base. Base is slightly concave. जो बेस होता है वो स्लाइटली कॉनकेव होता है. कॉनकेव मीन्स दिस वन, दिस सेफ. ठीक है, दिस इज नोन एज कॉनकेव. यू कैन सी हियर योर बेस इज स्लाइटली कॉनकेव. ठीक है, it is rest on the diaphragm. Here it is the diaphragm. It is the diaphragm. Your lungs are based on the diaphragm. The apex is narrow, rounded upper part of the lung. It is slightly above the clavicle. आपका लंग जो from the apex अगर हम इसको देखें यहाँ से, it is slightly up to your clavicle. Clavicle is your collarbone. ठीक है, you can felt it. Clavicle हम देखें, it's your clavicle. Here this bone is known as clavicle. ठीक है, you can see in here, you can see that some part of the lung is above to the clavicle. Okay, lungs having some surface rather than the apex and base. ठीक है, ये अपेक्स और बेस की बात हो गई, हमने इसकी बात कर ली. इसके अलावा लंग्स की कुछ सरफेस होती हैं. जैसे फर्स्ट हम बात करें कोस्टल सरफेस. कोस्टल सरफेस इज जस्ट अगेंस्ट, ये जो वाली जो सरफेस है, ये यहाँ पे आपकी रिप्स होती हैं, यहाँ पे आपकी रिप्स होती हैं. तो रिप्स के जस्ट नीचे वाली जो सरफेस है दैट इज नोन एज कोस्टल सरफेस. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? कोस्टल सरफेस. ठीक है, कोस्टल सरफेस के बाद आती है मीडियल सरफेस. द मीडियल सरफेस दैट मीन्स द जो स्टर्नम के दोनों तरफ जो होती है, जो सरफेस होती है लंग्स की, दैट इज नोन एज मीडियन सरफेस. ये देखो, अगर हम यहाँ से देखें तो यहाँ जो अंदर वाली सरफेस आपको दिखाई दे रही है, ये वाली, दैट इज नोन एज मीडियन सरफेस. दिस वन इज मीडियन सरफेस. Okay, so then next one is it is the median surface, coastal surface. One is one surface is known as the vertebral surface. जो posterior surface होती है, पीछे की तरफ की surface जो होती है, that is known as vertebral surface. ठीक है, one opening into both the lungs that is known as hilus. यहाँ पे आपके lungs के अंदर opening होती है, that is known as hilus. देखो यहाँ पे जैसे it's your trachea divides into the bronchi, left and right bronchi, then here it is the lungs. जहाँ से bronchi blood vessels, nerve vessels are entered into the lung. That surface, that cavity is known as hilus. Hilus. Okay, that surface is known as hilus. Next one is cardiac notch. Cardiac notch is one of essential part of the left side lung, because your heart is located here in the left side. In the left lung there is a cardiac notch. यहाँ पे जो slight depression दिखाई देता है, it is known as cardiac notch. That cardiac notch is a cavity that consists the lungs, that consists the heart. It is your heart that is located here. ठीक है, you can see here it's your heart. So heart is in the cardiac notch. That's why, because of that cardiac notch, your left lung is 10% smaller than the right lung. थोड़ा सा इसका surface area कम हो जाता है, जिसकी वजह से left lung is smaller than the right lung, but your left lung is thicker and broader than the right lung. ठीक है. Next we are talking about base of the lung. Base of lung anterior at the level of 6th costal cartilage and posteriorly at the thoracic vertebra 10. But pleura is extend up to 2 inches below the lungs. आपका जो यहाँ से ये हार्ट लंग्स स्टार्ट हुए, कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुए? जस्ट अबोव द क्लेविकल बोन एंड इट इज़ अप टू द 6 कोस्टल कार्टिलेज. 6 कोस्टल जो रिब है वहाँ तक आते हैं 6 पे. और अगर पोस्टीरियरली हम बात करें तो इट इज़ अप टू द T10 वर्टिब्रा तक होते हैं. बट द लंग्स इज सराउंडेड बाई ए लेयर दैट इज कॉल्ड प्लूरा. यहाँ पे एक लेयर होती है 2 सेंटीमीटर बिलो होती है, 2 इंच बिलो होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्लूरा. प्लूरा इज ए मेम्ब्रेन दैट कवर्स द लंग्स. ठीक है. और इन अनदर वर्ड्स वी कैन से योर लंग्स आर लोकेटेड इनटू द प्लूरल कैविटी. प्लूरा इज ए मेम्ब्रेन विच क्लोज द लंग. देर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ प्लूरा. वी कैन से 2 layers of pleura is there, parietal pleura and visceral pleura. The outer membrane is known as parietal pleura. This is parietal pleura. Outer is known as parietal pleura, and the inner nearest to the heart, nearest to the lungs is known as visceral pleura. जो यहाँ पे होती है लंग्स के ऊपर, that is known as visceral pleura. ठीक है. There are potential space between the parietal and visceral pleura. That space is known as the pleural cavity. That pleural cavity contains the pleural fluid. ठीक है. visceral pleura और parietal pleura के बीच में एक space होता है. That space is known as pleural space, that contains a serous fluid that prevents the friction between the both layer during the inspiration or expiration. That space is known as pleural space या pleural cavity. Pleural cavity. If that fluid is replaced by the air, that condition is known as pneumothorax. If it is replaced by the blood, that is called as hemothorax. And if it is replaced by the excess collection of fluid, that is known as hydrothorax. Inflammation of the pleural membrane is known as pleurisy. Okay. Removal of the fluid, that procedure you can study it in the fundamental of nursing. The processes by which we can aspirate the pleural fluid, that is known as thoracentosis. ठीक है. If we are talking about the some internal structure of the lung, right lung having the three lobes. It is your right lung that having the three lobe, lobe 1, lobe 2 and lobe 3. Three lobes that are separated by the fissures. One is known as oblique fissure, another one is transverse fissure. Here it is the oblique fissure and it is transverse fissure. That these two features divided lungs into the three lobes: superior lobe, medial lobe, inferior lobe. ठीक है? Then the left lung having only one oblique fissure. Your left lung having only one oblique fissure that divides lung into the two lobes, superior lobe and inferior lobe. ठीक है? This is about the lobes of lung. Next we are talking about the respiratory membrane. It is membrane structure made up by the alveoli wall that are on the alveoli that permits that is covered by the capillaries and permits the gas exchange. Here these are having the thickness only about near about 0.5 micro μm. नेक्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर आती है एल्वियोलाई. Alveoli that we will discuss in later class. Alveoli, the human lung contains near about 300 million alveoli. These alveoli in each lung, it is known as structural and functional unit of lung. Alveoli cells contains epithelium cells that able the alveoli for the gas exchange. जो 95% cells होती हैं alveoli की, these are the alveoli. We can draw a diagram of alveoli. Alveoli is it looks like that. ठीक है? If we detailed about that, alveoli is like that. Alveoli have a duct and the acini. जो surrounding tissues होते हैं, जो surrounding cells होती हैं, these are called acini. Acini have the 95%, जो इसकी 95% cells होती हैं, these are epithelium cells which are responsible for the gas exchange. ठीक है? And remaining 5% are duct cell and secretory cells. Duct cells that microphageal cells, type 2 cells, type 3rd cells, which are responsible for the secretion for the phagocytic action, and the secretory cells which release surfactant. ठीक है? These three types of cell are present in the alveoli. It's all about the lungs. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the anytime. Okay, thank you, student.